Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wild timber to wealth ideas for crafting profitable beauty stylish wooden decor creations. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When we look at the scattered remains of nature, fallen branches, broken logs, storm-damaged trees, or scraps of timber left behind in sawmills, it is easy to dismiss them as useless debris. But within those fragments lies the heart of an extraordinary journey, a journey we might call wild timber to wealth, where the overlooked and forgotten are reborn as treasures of beauty, value, and meaning. Crafted into eco-art that connects human imagination with the natural world and opens doors to both inspiration and profit. This path is not about rushing or forcing perfection, but about slowing down enough to recognize that every cut, every grain, and every finish carries its own language. A language that teaches us how simplicity can flow effortlessly into success when we embrace the essence of the material in front of us. The knots in a log are not flaws, but signatures of time. The rough bark of a branch is not a barrier, but a texture that tells a story, and the uneven surfaces of timber scraps are not defects, but opportunities for the maker to highlight uniqueness. To embark on this journey is to accept that the wood itself is a collaborator, a silent partner that guides your creativity, reminding you to listen, to feel, to respond rather than control. And as your hands begin to shape what once looked like waste into an object of beauty, you realize that this process is more than craftsmanship. It is transformation, not only of timber into wealth, but of perspective into wisdom. It inspires because it shows that value is not inherent in perfection but in vision, and that wealth is not merely measured by currency, but by the ability to create meaning where others see none. In this way, wild timber becomes a metaphor for life itself. The broken, discarded, or forgotten elements are precisely those that, when handled with care and imagination, can become the most powerful sources of beauty and resilience. As each cut is made, not with impatience, but with purpose, the grain reveals patterns that no human could ever design, intricate lines written by years of growth and seasons endured. And suddenly the maker realizes that their role is less about imposing form and more about revealing what was always there. Finishing a piece, whether sanding to smooth the touch or polishing to draw out hidden depth, becomes the final step of honoring the journey of the wood, a celebration of its natural history and its rebirth as something both functional and artistic. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those who dare to step into this flow, the reward is twofold: the deep personal satisfaction of giving new life to what was once overlooked, and the tangible profit of offering the world eco-art that resonates with the growing demand for authenticity, sustainability, and individuality. Today's homeowners, decorators, and collectors do not merely seek objects that fill space. They seek pieces that tell stories, that remind them of nature's resilience, that connect them to a lifestyle of balance and meaning. And it is here that the craftsperson finds a thriving market, proving that the union of artistry and ecology is not just an ideal, but a profitable reality. This journey is not reserved for masters with decades of training. It is accessible to anyone willing to approach wood with humility, curiosity, and persistence, for nature itself provides the design. The curve of a branch may suggest the handle of a lamp, the rugged surface of bark may inspire a wall hanging, and the jagged edge of a log may hint at an abstract sculpture. Every leftover piece whispers possibilities, and the maker's job is to listen. The transformation is not in forcing the wood into rigid expectations, but in allowing its wildness to remain part of the finished work. Reminder that beauty often resides in irregularity. As this process unfolds, something magical happens. What begins as a simple attempt to create becomes a rhythm, a flow, where each action builds upon the last. And the maker feels less like they are working and more like they are participating in a dance between nature and creativity. This flow reduces effort, replaces frustration with joy, and brings clarity to the understanding that true success is not about doing more, but about doing with intention. For those who wish to build a business from this craft, the potential is immense, because in every marketplace, whether local fairs, online platforms, or boutique decor shops, there is a hunger for handmade pieces that carry authenticity. A hunger that mass-produced items cannot satisfy. Each eco-art creation is not just an object, but a story. A fallen branch reborn as a centerpiece, a weathered plank transformed into a shelf, a collection of scraps assembled into abstract art that speaks of resilience and renewal. Buyers pay not only for the object itself, but for the feeling it evokes, the narrative it carries, and the knowledge that their purchase supports both sustainability and artistry. Thus, wealth flows naturally from the ability to see potential where others see waste, and to nurture that potential into a finished piece that holds both beauty and value. The inspiration behind this journey is contagious, for once you see timber in this new light, you cannot look at a forest floor, a pile of discarded lumber, or even a simple branch without imagining what it could become. Every encounter with wood becomes an invitation to create, to experiment, to bring forth something that did not exist before, and in this ongoing cycle of imagination and transformation, both the maker and the material are elevated. The process itself becomes a meditation, a way of aligning one's hands, mind, and spirit with the rhythms of nature, and the results extend beyond profit or decor, shaping a life of purpose, mindfulness, and creativity. To call this wild timber to wealth is not to reduce it to a financial transaction, but to acknowledge that wealth in its truest sense is multidimensional. It is the wealth of skill acquired through practice, the wealth of inspiration drawn from the natural world, the wealth of satisfaction gained from creation, and yes, the wealth of income earned from sharing that creation with those who cherish it. At the heart of it all is a simple truth. Every cut is a choice, every grain is a reminder, every finish is a declaration that simplicity, when guided by vision, becomes extraordinary. And that success does not always come from grand gestures or complex designs, but from the humble act of honoring what is already there and allowing it to shine. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wild timber to wealth ideas for crafting profitable, beauty stylish wooden decor creations. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.